Hey guys, Alberto here with Aloha Garage, and today we'll be changing out these license plate lights because unfortunately on these Sierras, specifically this Denali, they do come with halogen bulbs, so I'll be showing you how to replace, it looks like the whole housing because I did not do research as far as the bulb type, but once I figure out the bulb type I'll leave it in the description, but this video will apply the same, we're replacing the whole housing on this one. Alright, once we're under here you'll see this gray housing with a screw right here. That's a 7 mil. You're gonna undo the 7 mil to undo the housing, but if you are just doing the bulb, it would be this harness. So you just have to get your hand in there. In my case, I got an exhaust and bracket in the way, but without the camera, should be able to get it. All right, once you get it out, you'll go out and then slide down because there is a little notch that locks in there, but here it is. All right, and then if you are installing the bulb as any headlight, you would just twist and then it comes out. So in this case, we're going to take out the bulb, which I might need two hands because I'm holding the camera. There it is. And then we're going to come in with the new one and install. So there it's plugged in. So to make sure we install the right one, I'm just going to unlock it and it should come on. There it is. Now it looked like it flickered, but in person it's the same as the rest of the truck. You know, it kind of dims and then it gets brighter as you unlock it. And just as a side note, just be sure you're installing the right one on the right side, because I didn't realize when I started doing the install that I actually chose the right one. Alright, now everything's back there installed, and I'm not gonna lie, that took quite a bit. Get your hand in there and align it and then tighten it, it takes a bit, so but now that it's in, I'll do a comparison on the light. So I just realized it was daylight, so I'll get a nighttime of them fully installed. Alrighty, there they are, freshly installed. Now, like I said, on video it looks like they flash, but in person it's the same way. Like with an OEM light, it goes dim and then gradually gets bright. So that's the installation. Thank you guys for watching.